Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 4 trades. Today's date is August the 16th and I'm using my new MACD trader system. Now this system, using the MACD, you're going to get a lot of trades 24 hours a day. You can trade all 3 sessions and you will get a pop-up box such as this one right here, telling you the time, the instrument, the time frame it's on, and whether you're going to either sell alert and or a buy alert. So you're going to get a lot of trading opportunities. Now these 4 indicators down at the bottom, this is the driving force. You can relate it to something like the engine in your car. If there's no engine, you're not going to go anywhere. But this TZ, trigger zone indicator, I've nicknamed it a magic indicator, as it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. I provide the education. And most important, you need a daily trade plan. Now you should be buying more education every 2 to 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, 6 a.m. New York time, I'm in front of the computer and it takes me about 30 minutes to put together my daily trade plan. Now we can take a look at that trade plan. Here we go. Daily trade plan for today. As I mentioned, you need some kind of a trade plan. April the 16th, 22. Every one of these trades, I could have traded a lot more, but I was really busy today and talking to actually 2 traders as I was trying to trade. So got somewhat of a distraction, but I still managed to do some trading. Now these 4 trades were taken directly from the daily trade plan. So here we go. Now let's take a look at these trades. Pound yen. Here we go. Took the trade here after a bit of a pullback. Not much of a pullback. Just following the TZ and away it goes. Down at the bottom, that's your trigger. I got in and I closed it out. Looks like it can continue going, as if you look on the left side there, the yen is still a bus driver and the pound is a bus driver. So this should keep going. But it's already 10:45 and I have some videos that I have to do. Some more training videos, as I'm coming out with 2 new products that will help your trading a lot. And just to give you a heads up, I've automated the 4 indicators down at the bottom here, so that when you get a buy signal, you'll get an alert. And of course, when you get a sell signal by a red arrow, you will get a sell signal. And of course, it's in the pretty much the finished stages. I'm also working on another item that I'll be releasing hopefully this week. My daily trade plan. It's going to be automated by an EA. So I will not have to sit here and do the daily trade plan. So I'm looking forward to that. So let's just keep moving along here. I took the trade at this cursor, closed it out just being happy with 105 pips. And those 105 pips paid out $7,811. Keep in mind, I'm usually just looking at the total down here, and when I have a feeling I'm around 200 or more pips, and today should be around 200 or slightly above, as right now I'm already over 100 with this one trade. And at that point, I can just consider closing out the trades and be done trading for the day. Next trade is the Euro Yen. There's the arrow right from the daily trade plan. I wanted to be buying it. Let's see where I got in at. Here we go. Took the trade at that cursor and I closed it out again. And keep in mind the yen is still a bus driver at 17% on the meter. It could break the top, but keep in mind the yen market is closed at this point, and it's about 10 minutes before 11 a.m. So I closed it out being happy with 71 pips, and those 71 pips paid out $5,282. Moving right along to the next trade, the 30-year bonds. Let's run a check on that. Wanted to be selling from the taken directly from a daily trade plan. Let's move this on up. See where I got in at right here. Everything looked perfect for shorting, and I closed it out as I saw it starting to go up, and I was very happy with about let's see, 103. And that's exactly right. I used a calculator, took the money, divided by $5 for each tick, worked out to be 103 ticks, and that paid out $5,150. Moving on to the last trade, which is the pound New Zealand. Here's another one I wanted to be buying. Looking great for buying and a great way to trade. Let's see where I got in at. Could have waited for a bit of a pullback, but I was happy at this point. I knew it could go back to the goal line. So, you know, that's the thing is, if you don't get the timing right, then you'll need more than a 10 pip stop. And of course, all the way to the top up here, I ended up closing out the trade just being happy with about 50 pips. Could be 49. Let's just go with 50. Nice even number. 50 pips paid out $3,168. So another great day of trading using my MACD system. I just added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 200. The total was 329 pips and ticks, and those 329 pips paid out $21,412. So if your system is not producing like my MACD trader system, I suggest you get your hands on it, and don't forget to get your you should really consider getting your hands on the daily trade plan. You must have a daily trade plan to succeed at trading. If you want to get some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. It's my MACD trader system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. My system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 2 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. And as you saw today, the meter helped into the 2 yen pair trades. And let's double check that. The pound, at one point it was over 80%, and the yen, I think it was around 16 or 17. So this meter will give you what I call bonus trades. Included, and I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. As I mentioned at the beginning, you're going to need a lot of education, and this certainly is quite a bit of education. Now, there's a lot of ways to trade the markets. I teach a lot of different ways. That's why I made 22 training videos. Each video is about 30 minutes long. Now, you can put this video on pause, as I'm not going to read everything here. And if you have any questions at all, quite simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, simple again. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I really do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link, and we will have Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll give you some tips and tricks. And of course, keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. So, time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully without any distractions, that should be tomorrow. I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.